Hey, hey, hey! How are we doing today? And now we are back. Welcome back. So, think about it. Students hate this. Like, seriously. Okay, if we think of cheating in the school system, cheating in the classroom, cheating at the, tests or writing activity, we would realize that our students sometimes really do cheat for obvious reasons. So, and we're gonna get started with looking at how this cheating happens. Okay, right here we have our screen. We're gonna go over to our Google document and we're going to look at the work of a particular student. So I'm trying to close or blur out some important parts just so I can have some confidentiality and personal information hidden back there. So hope you understand. Right. If a student who has never written a full paragraph suddenly turns in a 5 paragraph essay, then you should be suspicious, right? And you want to go ahead and figure out if there was cheating. All you need to do is to pull out the student's Google document as a script. Here is one document I pulled up. This is not a typical student, it is my work. So let's go see how this plays out. Because most of the times, our kids or students or those learners would actually copy from Chat GPT and paste it on the Google document, acting as they did a lot of work and they hope you don't find out they cheated, like blatantly cheated. So, in this video, I'll go ahead and show you how to catch cheating in 10 seconds with proofs. First of all, you need your Brisk AI. This is actually in your extension. If you did not get the video or you haven't watched the video about how you can actually install Brisk AI, I would link it in the description corner so you can get to it and see how that works and how to install it. So Brisk has features that have come and they are here to stay to support us teachers in order to do our job and do it proficiently. So here is a short video of how that works and how Bricks kind of thinks along with you or gives you like the tools that you need and supports you, right? Let's be real. Cheating in 2026 is a different whole ball game. So when you click on Brisk, that is at the right hand corner, lower right hand corner, click on inspect writing. Yeah, inspect writing. That's the third option. It's going to give a replay of the exact timestamps the student was typing the text. Like, for example, on the script that I have, you can see that they had one pasted word, they had two edits, and they were actually typed in the words. So if you click that little play button at the bottom right corner, you would see how these students typed in the work. It's gonna do like a replay, like a video, like it was actually capturing the screen of the students when they were doing this work. If they copy pasted, you're gonna see a lot of words pasted at a second, which means they brought in some text, maybe from Chat GPT or from Claude, right? This is an AI detector. Most of us have used Turnitin, GPT Zero. Some of them show like 50% wrong or the time used in typing. You cannot really rely on that percentage that says 98% AI, right? So parents will fight you and you will lose. But when you bring in the process of how the work was copied, of how the student typed a few letters and suddenly brought in a bunch and a load of text from nowhere. Then you play it. It's like a video playing as evidence in the face of the parents. Because most parents will be like, oh, my child cannot do that. You know, they would always want to back up and hold on to your child. But then you want to play this video to show how this was actually done and how it was, copied, right? So first of all, you want to install Brisk into your Google extension. Again, I'm gonna link the video that I actually went through, like a step by step tutorial on how you can install Brisk on your Chrome. You don't need like a school admin, you just have your email, your Google email. So you can log in. Right here, I'm trying to bring up like a document I typed just this morning, and I was trying to do a rubric, right? So I'm trying to replay it. Watch how it plays out. You can see that the words, the letters, the timing of the letters, how they're being typed in. If it's too fast, you can reduce the timing, the fastness of the video, how fast it goes, just so you can see the letters being typed in by the student. Very significant. Right. So I'm trying to use different display options or frequency in order to actually see what the student was typing and how fast they were typing it. Like I said, again, this is my work. I typed it today. You can see the timestamp on it and how many edits were done on it. If I had just brought in a bunch of text from ChatGPT, it's going to indicate right there in the replay screen. Right. So we already know how to install Brisk. Otherwise, you can watch the video, right? So look at the B button always. The B button, the Brisk button is always at the right hand side at the bottom of your Google document once you open it. Right. It detects this AI once you click on inspect writing. Just a reminder, inspect writing. So again, you must have the Google document open in order to see all these things, what to inspect, which is actually being shown by the replaying the student's work, replaying the video. This is insane. It's stunningly insane, like really good. Yes, 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 yes. Brisk AI literally replace how the student typed the essay, like the screen recording, like it recorded their screen. You can see them typing letter by letter. You can see them, boom, 400 words would appear in a second. Where did all of that come from? So if you see this kind of blank, then the text suddenly comes in and then they submit it at 11:59 just before the work is due. Then copying and pasting has actually been done, and that is cheating. Yes, students don't like that word. They don't. So you're gonna have to inspect their writing using that button. That's the button students don't like. Inspect writing button on Brisk AI. So if it says that the total writing time was 4 minutes for a 1,000 word essay, wow, you'll be like, when? How? Would this be copy and paste? Okay. Brisk will flag it with high chance of, copy and paste from websites and Wikipedias or YouTube transcripts, things like that, Chat GPT. So instead of saying, I think you use Chat GPT, you say, I saw you pasting three large blocks of text on Tuesday at 10 p.m. They're going to be flabbergasted. The student's gonna be like, oh, this teacher is really, really so meticulous. And when you say all of that, there would be no argument, especially when you have your video from Brisk as evidence, right? So, catching three types of cheating. The first step is to always look at the real examples, right? Like, the fake, looking at the document I have, that's my document. It's a transcript, like something I typed today. Always replay it. Start at the 0 minute. The entire essay would actually be seen how it was typed from minute 0 through minute 10 to minutes 20, and then how it ended, and gives you the time it took to complete the entire typing, right? Good. So replaying shows how it was typed and how it was pasted, if it was pasted, like a paragraph being pasted. So the conclusion and the statistic at the top right hand corner, where you see the 76% edit, it will tell you, oh, yeah, there was 65% typed, 35% edit, right? For that particular video. So replaying always shows like how it went through, like getting the information in real time. Therefore, when you catch cheaters, don't protect them. Try to protect the honest kids, right? Protect honest kids. What to do after you find cheating? That's my personal opinion. Give it a straight face and ask for the students to actually tell you, be sincere if they copied it from somewhere. Otherwise, you would pull up the script and the recording from Brisk. So if you shouldn't really say you cheated, it's confrontational and students want to fight. They want to bring their parents or their counselors and their administrators, even the principal, even the, it gets really, really tricky when it comes to cheating. But Brisk AI has made you clean up your back and watch your back and kept your front. Like, it gives you the video replaying a scene of maybe burglary or something, and bringing in that evidence that is not denied, cannot be denied, right? Great. You are not accusing the student, you are showing data that would support the argument, support your point. And this screenshot from Brisk, an inspection report that was created using Brisk, would also be sent to those parents and principals that want to fight with you. And 90% of students, will immediately admit that they cheated after seeing the video you provide from Brisk, right? Though they were in denial in the first place. And that would actually clean up every situation in your classroom and with your teaching, and make you feel you were authentic in the first place, and you were trying to make sure these students learn. So very, very significant is a point that you can actually have students always write their essays on Google Doc in order for you to be able to detect cheating so easily. So, like a recap, install Brisk on your Gmail. Your Google document would actually be able to sync with it, protect honest students, and catch those cheaters, right? Brisk has made it free and easy for you to use at the click of a button. In less than a couple of seconds, you are there. And if you want me to make another video on how to do AI proof assignments that students actually want to do, comment AI proof. Assignments that students would not go to AI, assignments that students would not rely on AI, but they would learn and understand. So let me know if you want me to do that kind of video, and it's gonna be rolling on this channel. Please remember to click like and subscribe. Subscribe to more of this content in order to support other teachers that may have to find the channel easy to support them as well. Enjoy your beautiful day and keep shining. Bye bye.